So, we just hiked up some huge stairs in the city of David, and Laurie's gonna tell us what just happened.
Well, Mandy had to go to Tel Aviv to get her medicine, and we couldn't get a hold of her all day long. And finally, well, we went to our friend's that we met. His name's Shadi, so that we could use his phone.
But it took us forever to find him because what happened? We tried to call him at the hostel and he didn't call us back for like 40 minutes. So we finally called him again, and then
he had to go get a SIM card. Gets a SIM card, and we're calling Mandy.
And then we told him, we tried to meet him all these different places.
Oh, why don't I just try my phone? After like an hour, it went right through to Mandy's text message and worked.
And now we're kind of kicking ourselves, but we're heading to the Dome of the Rock. Too bad we don't know exactly where it is, but we're off. And we have a couple hours till our plane.